I'll guide you through how to change country on Amazon without losing access to your Kindle library or accidentally deleting your gift card balance. If you're looking to access different product selections in a new country, or you want to permanently update your digital content region, and so you need to migrate your Amazon account to another country, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. The most important thing to know is that there are two ways to change your country on Amazon, depending on your goal. The first is by changing your shopping storefront. This temporary method is for changing the products and prices you see on Amazon Marketplace, typically for shopping or browsing. In many cases, Amazon has different product versions for different regions, and it can also show its prices in different currencies. To begin, go to any Amazon homepage at amazon.com. Look at the top left corner next to the Amazon logo and click the button that says Deliver to your location.
On a mobile browser, you'll see Deliver to your zip code. Tap on it.
This opens a pop-up window. Under the Choose Your Location section, select the desired country from the drop-down list. You can enter any valid postal code for that region. This tells Amazon which catalog to display, but it does not permanently change your account settings. The second method is changing your digital content region, perfect for Amazon Prime users. This is the permanent change required if you have physically moved and need to update your Kindle, Prime Video, and billing region. Only do this if you have permanently moved. Here's how. Go to the Amazon website and hover over Account and Lists.
On a mobile browser, tap your profile name, then tap on Lists under your Account section.
Click on Manage Your Content and Devices. This is the hub for all your digital purchases. Once there, click on the Preferences tab and find the setting called Country/Region Settings. Click the Change button next to your current country. You must enter a new valid street address in the country you want to move to and select it as your new billing address. Amazon will then check your eligibility. Once eligible, click the option to transfer your digital account to the new country. Before completing the transfer, be aware of the two major consequences. Any existing Amazon gift card balances from your old country will not transfer and will be lost after migration, so use them before moving. Your existing Kindle and Prime Video library may not transfer. Due to copyright laws, some titles may be restricted or removed entirely from your library once you move your account. Now, if you only want temporary access to geo-restricted Amazon Prime streaming content without the risk of migration, you can use a virtual private network or VPN service. By connecting through a VPN server in your desired country, Amazon's system will temporarily believe you are physically located there, giving you temporary access to that region's Prime Video catalog. For this purpose, we analyzed various VPN services and came to the conclusion which one is best. Check the link in the description or click here to learn why NordVPN is best for changing the Amazon region. Also, you'll get up to 75% off plus 3 extra months for free. Now that you've learned how to change country on Amazon, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more Amazon video tutorials. Thanks for watching.